Let's celebrate. Thank you all for watching my videos. Today I celebrate 1,000 followers. Keep supporting, keep watching my video. Thank you, love you. Let's show you how I celebrate my day. First of all, for new followers, how you find my page on YouTube. It's really easy. Just watch shorts in my channel. You must enjoy. Write my name and just scroll page videos. Watch short videos collection. My daily lifestyle. I like to share my happy hour. Let's go for celebration and meet some special guests. Beautiful places, but first capture pictures. Make some videos clip. Now we are here. Howdy. I like lights. I like green background. I like flowers. Look up and down, here and there, walking, sitting, round poses, because now it's called photo shoot. I love that corner. Now here is yummy wings and deep fries. Now here we are going to buy brownies, because I'm not cake lovers. I like just salty and bit sugar, so I buy brownies from Layers. Munching time here is near Papa John's Pizza. Best pizza, literally must try. We are home now. Take some pictures with candles. Thanks for watching. Bye.